What about when you don't know anything about the sport someone's talking about and you want to join the conversation anyway? That's the situation I find myself in a lot.
Asking questions is genuinely the best move. Sports fans almost always enjoy being asked to explain something. "I'm still learning. Can you catch me up on what happened?" is a completely fine thing to say. It's not admitting defeat, it's showing interest.
Is there a version of that that sounds natural without being too formal?
What did I miss is a good one. It's casual and implies you're engaged even if you weren't watching. Who are we playing this week is useful if you know the team but not the schedule. Or just, what's the score? Which sounds obvious, but is a genuinely normal way to enter a sports conversation.
Who are we playing? I like that. It assumes you're already part of it.
That's exactly the thing. Using "we" when you talk about your team is completely normal. "We won," "we got destroyed," "we need a new quarterback." It signals that you're a fan without having to say it. People do it automatically.